The Farmer and the Unwanted Stones. In a small, sun-drenched valley lived a farmer named Kiran. Kiran was known not just for his excellent harvests, but for the large, rocky field he had inherited, a field everyone in the village called the barren ground. While his neighbors had smooth, fertile land, Kiran's field was stubbornly strewn with countless, heavy stones. The challenge. Every year, when planting season came, Kiran would look at the back-breaking work ahead. His neighbors would pity him. Kiran once said, "Why not sell that land? It takes you twice as long to plow and you get half the yield. Those stones are a curse." Kiran would simply smile, wipe the sweat from his brow, and continue his work. He had to dig around the largest stones, pry out the medium ones, and rake the smaller ones into piles. It was a tedious, agonizing process that tested his resolve daily. The shift in perspective. One harsh season, a drought hit the valley. Everyone's crops struggled. Kiran, however, noticed something peculiar. While the shallow, smooth soil of his neighbors cracked and turned to dust, his field, though rocky, held moisture longer. The stones, which had always seemed like an enemy, were shielding the soil from the sun and preventing rapid evaporation. Kiran realized the curse was actually a natural mulch and a built-in irrigation system. The unexpected harvest. Inspired, Kiran began to work with the stones instead of against them. He used the smallest stones he collected to line the edges of his planting rows, creating miniature raised beds that captured rainwater. He took the largest, most beautiful stones and stacked them into a dry stone wall, not only clearing the planting area but also creating a beautiful, sturdy border for his property. In the deep, rocky patches where vegetables struggled, he planted hardy olive trees and grapevines, knowing their roots were strong enough to weave through the rock, and the stones would provide necessary drainage. When the harvest came, Kiran's olive trees thrived, his small, protected vegetable patches yielded a surprising bounty, and his grapes, stressed by the rocks, produced a deep, flavorful wine. The motivation. Kiran's neighbors, who had only seen obstacles, now saw innovation. They started asking him for advice on using stones in their own gardens. Kiran's motivational lesson was this. The stones were never a sign of bad luck. They were a natural resource waiting to be understood. If you keep working, keep smiling, and don't let a challenge defeat your spirit, eventually, the very things meant to slow you down will become the foundation of your greatest strength. He turned the barren ground into the most productive and unique farm in the valley, proving that an obstacle is often just a potential advantage in disguise.